People, welcome back to Politics Watch, the People's Channel. This is Sir P speaking. Now, can somebody explain to me, especially my people in Canada, I need someone to explain to me why a whole plane load of people need to be prevented from leaving the airport and have every piece of luggage checked. Because that is what happened to Jamaicans who were on board an Air Canada flight. The plane was meant to be heading towards Canada, but in an extraordinary turn of events, the entire plane load of people had every piece of luggage searched. Now, maybe somebody can educate me if this has happened before, but I've never heard of something like this happening. I've heard of individuals being targeted. I've been on planes and seen different people get take off and pull one side and search. But an entire plane load of people? Canadians, talk to me now. Is this where the reputation of Jamaicans has sunken to the point where even Canada? I mean, we've always heard of problems in the UK, places like London. We've always heard of problems in America. But Canada? Has the reputation of Jamaicans become so bad in Canada that the Canadian government, the Canadian police, Canadian immigration need to pull aside an entire plane and search it? May say people that lose them corned beef. Hold on, I'm talking about the corned beef. Like. Canadians, Grace corned beef not sell in Canada. Why would somebody need to carry back corned beef from Jamaica to Canada? Somebody tell me in the comment section, corned beef instead of Canada. Me say all of them corned beef they get confiscated, and actually the people who did the searching were quite lenient because apparently there's like a $1,500 Canadian fine if you're found to be trying to carry back certain kind of meat back in the country, and apparently some Jamaicans didn't know about this law, but they didn't find them. So at least from that point of view, we have to say the Canadians were quite generous, but still we need to know, why would you pull aside an entire plane? They must have been acting on some kind of intelligence, right? Somebody must have gave them a tip, or they must have had reasonable cause to pull aside an entire plane and search every single person, right? I don't think it was corned beef. Nobody now go through all this excitement just to take away some corned beef, right? I know there was a time when people used to send up KFC and all kind of things, but corned beef, I don't stuff my corned beef in my suitcase if you care to go Canada with me, right? After Grace corned beef not that nice. I saw corned beef nice. No, but fun and joke aside, we need to know what's going on, because if you're going to target people like this, we need to know why. We need to show us that, okay, we had serious intelligence that says there was X amount of this on the plane. And then we can say, okay, I work here, I work. But if not, somebody needs to explain what's going on, because as Jamaican people, we can't just take them kind of butter bruiser. Because them things are liberty. Right? Not because people want to go foreign means they must accept anything thrown at them face. Because let me tell you this, if the Jamaican government ever stop a plane load of Canadians, right, and dig up the whole of them suitcase, remember I'm tell you, somebody have to go explain. Right? Somebody have to go write a very long letter justifying why them go through all of that. If the Jamaican government stop a plane load of Americans and dig up all of them suitcase and make them delay them flight too much hours, somebody's going to have to explain why. So it's the same way the Jamaican government, the Jamaican immigration need to demand answers from Air Canada. What go on? How you deal with the people them so? What intelligence were you working on? But that's very unlikely. Very unlikely. We've seen the track record of Jamaican immigration and foreign policy when it comes on to defending its citizens. Because as I said, this is very... Can you imagine being in an airport, everybody think short on the ground and I get dig up left, right and center, making you feel like a criminal? These things are embarrassing. And these things are happening to Jamaicans all over the place. And yes, we know Jamaicans give a lot of problem. Nobody's saying Jamaicans are innocent. If you go to Toronto, some of the baddest places in Toronto, Jamaicans enough up over there. That's fine. But still, we need to say why you pull on a whole plane load of people. We need to know why Granny and all the kids them, they have to get them suitcase open up and throw all over the place. Dog a sniff you up, all kind of searching. These things are very uncomfortable for people. They put people in a very in a situation, in a state that makes them feel vulnerable. Because even though you haven't done anything wrong, just the fact that you're getting dig up starts to make you feel like some kind of 87 acting. Right? So we need answers as to what go on with that plane. Right? Jamaican immigration, Jamaican foreign policy. People need to get answers from Air Canada, because what might happen is other airlines might start get ideas and go, oh, I saw we have to go start deal with them now. And next thing you know, left, right, and center, every Jamaican I get dig up all about the place. Now, as I said, if there was some intelligence that tell them that something was on that plane, and that's why they did the operation, okay, cool, but where is it? What was the excitement for? Because I always see you take away some canned beef and some tin food. So that's what the whole heap of excitement was for. We need answers. People from Canada, talk to me. What go on? Right, as I said, we can't sit back and make people take liberty at Jamaicans. Right? It can't work. We need answers. People, it's Politics Watch. Patreon squad, big up on yourself every time. Please like the video, share the video, and take care of yourself. Bless you.